Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Fabriculous Friday. We are right in the middle of our East Central Illinois Bingo Blitz Shop Hop, which has been a lot of fun. A lot of ladies have come through and got their bingo cards stamped. We've had a lot of bingos. And so those ladies have a chance to win some wonderful prizes. So it's not too late to join. You can just stop by, get your bingo card, and head on out. And so even if you go, let's see, I think to two shops, you have a chance to win. So there's 12 shops involved. So check out the East Central Illinois Shop Hop page and check that out, and it'll give you all the information you need. So we're right in the middle of that. So if you are just joining me, let me know you're here. Just leave a comment. I'm going to check Instagram real quick. There we go. All right. Now I think we're up and running on Instagram too. Awesome. Okay. Wonderful. Welcome, everybody. If you're just joining, you want to go ahead and leave a comment. That way your name will go in the drawing for a $10 gift certificate as well. And you know what? I'm going to give one of these away. A friend of mine made these. Our friends at, oh my goodness, the Flying Thread. Oh my goodness. Sorry, Elizabeth. They made these for me, and I'm going to give one of these away. What this is, it's a little gauge. A lot of times I need to stop a 1/4 inch away from both edges. This allows me to put this on the edge of your fabric and mark my 1/4 inch so I know exactly where to stop. Not only does it do that, there's a 1/4, 3/8, half, and 5/8 on here. So I'm going to give one of these little guys away too. So it's just a handy little gadget to have. So I'm going to share that with you. You'll have to excuse my sniffing. Allergies are horrible today. So, yeah. All right. So if you're here, let me know. I think I've got the chat on public. Yes, I do. So let me know that you are here, and we will get started. First of all, there's everybody. Good morning, Nancy, Melanie, Jennifer. Good morning. Welcome to Fabriculous Friday. This is the class that I taught. This is called the Lamont bag. It is quickly becoming one of my favorite crossbody bags. This one I made out of some fabric that we have that's kind of, it's a woven, densely woven. It is gorgeous. And then I used, of course, the rainbow zipper here. And so hi Teresa, hey girlfriend. This is just a fun, it's got zipper on the front and the back. It has a zipper on the side to open the entire bag up, which is kind of cool. It's got pockets in this inside, and it's got an adjustable strap, which is very, very cool. So this is the Lamont bag, and I really like this, and it's got this bottom on it, which we did struggle a little bit, but we all got it. And so this is, just want to let you know, this is my latest one, and I really do like it. The colors are really pretty on that. We've got about 4 or 5 different prints of that heavily woven fabric. I don't even know what it's called. It almost reminds me of like a Navajo blanket type product. So we've got a few of those. Make great like jacket too, which would be kind of fun. Brand new class in August. Can't think of the date. Hello, Mike. Hi, Sue. Welcome to Fabriculous Friday. Let's see. All right. This Christmas stocking is absolutely stunning. Becky Smith is going to teach this. She taught it last year. It was a sellout. You use 2 charm packs to make this stocking and some lining. Now, she had some old lace. You could use old crocheted edgings. People have used like the crochet doilies. It's just the way you cut it. If you want to make a beautiful, this is absolutely gorgeous Christmas stocking, you want to sign up for that class, all right? And it is absolutely stunning. And she's added buttons. Some people add glitz. You don't have to do that if you don't want, but I just love it. This is big enough. You could use this as a statement piece, as decoration. Maybe put some greenery in the top, use it on your wall. It's just absolutely beautiful. So that class is coming up. So if you like that, you want to go ahead and sign up for that. Let's see, what else do we have here? Last time I showed you Lori Holt zippers were back in stock. This is Happy Zippers number 3. The coloration on these zippers is different. It's very muted. So beautiful colors. This is almost like a blush color, a taupe, tan. You have the soft greens. This is a beautiful collection of zippers. Okay, so these are all 16, I believe they're, 16-inch zippers. They're double slide, great for bags, great for bags. Oh, good, Pam, yay! I love that gold thread. Pam is talking about our gold thread that we used in class. It's a metallic. One of my favorites. I'll be getting that all in. I think it's called KingStar Thread. The best metallic I've ever used on my sewing machine. Hello, Mike, my brother. Welcome. All right. My allergies are horrible this morning. Sorry, everybody. That's why my nose is itchy. 'Tis the season, right? Let's see. Last time I think I showed you a pillow that Paula was working on. This... Excuse me. This is from Riley Blake. I think she's got another holiday collection coming. This is Halloween, fall, and Christmas. Now, I showed you one. This is, excuse me, this is the Halloween pillow. This is all done on your embroidery machine, but it looks like cross stitch. And excuse me, we've got a 3-dimensional bat right there. Isn't that the cutest? And so if you have an embroidery machine, you can use this. Now, this pillow is the same pillow instructions. If you took my patriotic class, this, excuse me again, I'm so sorry. This is the same pillow pattern we used for the patriotic pillow, which you got during class. If you don't have this pillow pattern, I now have them for sale. This uses a 13 by, I think it's a 12 by 18 pillow, which we have the pillow forms in stock, and then the instructions are written, excuse me, for the back of the pillow and the front of the pillow too. All right, we have got that going on. All right. Hi, Sherry. Yes, they're terrible. I've been real good up to this point. Thank you, Pam. I've been so good up to this point, and then this morning, and of course I have a wedding to go to tonight, so I'll be stopping and getting some Zyrtec for sure. Okay, a brand new collection from Laundry Basket Quilts. Her collections are absolutely stunning. These are all blues and creams. This is a fat quarter pack, and so you can use some of our beautiful fat quarter books. We've got a couple of those to do. Aren't these just so pretty? And I'll tell you, there's a wide back that she makes. It is stunning. It is flags, but the flags are done in these lighter colors, and the stripes are pink. Oh, it's so pretty. You'll have to come see it. It's a wide back. Good morning, Chris. Hi, Liz. Yeah, KingStar is a wonderful thread, that's for sure. That is, it really, really is. Awesome. Okay, fat quarter books. We've got a few in. This one just happens to be by It's So Emma, and she always never disappoints. There's some beautiful quilts in here. That would be a lot of fun to use this brand new laundry basket quilt. This one would be really pretty in these blues. Wouldn't that be pretty with this blue collection? It would, yes. Okay, so we've got that just as a reminder. This is also something new. This is called A Complete Collection of Garden Goodness by Robert Kaufman. All these are kind of a fruit-related, somebody's opened it so they could see it, a fruit-related fabric. So there's some peas. Let's see, what else we got going on here? Lemons. And they're not like totally in your face. There's some little, looks like carrots. And so this is a nice print if you're putting together maybe a garden quilt. You're maybe doing, remember those the little canning quilts that look like little jars, you put fabric in it to make it look like, yeah, so cute. So this is brand new. There's you can kind of see the peas on the back. Really cute collection. Another fat quarter pack. These are brand new. These are John James. They're called Pebbles. And I love these. This is just a household needle. I don't know how many times at home I look for just a regular needle, and I don't want a quilting needle. I don't want an applique. I don't want a cross stitch. I want a regular old household needle. This is what is in here. And I love this because they're stored in this cute little pebble. So the lid pops open. You have your needles. They store back in. The lid shuts. So you're not losing those needles or sticking them in a spool of thread like I do and then forgetting where I put it. So these are stored real nice. Just a really, really nice assortment, different eyes, different links. It's the perfect little collection to throw in that drawer. You'll have it when you need it for whatever. Sewing on buttons, hemming something, that type of thing. Definitely. Okay, let's see. Oh, behind me. Let me get out of the way here. I know you can't see it real well. This is part of the All Illinois Shaw Pop collection. Now, I took a liberty and I have used a beautiful jelly roll for all this. That's not part of the collection, but the border is part of the collection, and these squares are part of the panel. And so this is going to be our Shaw Pop sample. We'll just get it quilted and have it ready. Also, we are making a little bag, like a little cosmetic bag. It's called the Nantucket. And we'll be making those as kits with the All Illinois Shaw Pop fabric and selling those during Shaw Pop too. We also have coming pre-cuts in the Shaw Pop fabric. So you'll be able to get, I think they're charms. They're 5-inch squares of all of the Shaw Pop fabric. So that I'm excited about. We haven't had that. And so that's something a little bit new. So I'm excited to get those in. You can't get them yet, but soon. You can let me know if you want them and I can hold them for you. But we can't sell till August 1st when the Shaw Pop starts. Shaw Pop starts All Illinois August 1st, and it will go through the end of September. So not only are we in the middle of a Shaw Pop right now, the Bingo Blitz Shaw Pop, we are gearing up for another Shaw Pop. So we're keeping really busy here for sure. Hi, Susan. Good morning from Mount Zion, Illinois to North Carolina. Welcome. Hi, Cindy and Gail and Melba. Good morning. Mary, is it Jania? Jania? Sherry, Chris. Oh my goodness. Welcome everybody. If you are watching and you haven't said anything, just say hi because we want your name to go in that drawing for the $10 gift certificate and for my little handy dandy tool here. Okay, this little handy dandy tool. All right, made by our friends at the Flying Thread. All right. Also, not new but back in stock, EQ printables. Okay, EQ printables, it is a fabric sheet that goes through your printer and prints on this fabric. And when you treat it as the instructions, I think it's soak it in water, cold water, and then you press it dry. It's permanent. Now, a lot of ladies do quilt labels. They type it up on their Word program or whatever their favorite program is on the computer. And then you print on it just like a piece of paper. Now, the cool thing is it does photos. So you can print your photos off right on this paper, put them in the middle of a block, whatever, however you want to use it. Very cool paper. This is our favorite. They've had a lot of different printables over the course of time. And this we've landed on as our favorite. It seems to print the crispest. Is that even a word? Clearest. How's that? I like crispest though. It seems to print really good. And so, and clear. And so you'll see your photos really, really well. And then you treat this just like fabric. Cut it out, piece it in something, and you're ready to go. And it's a permanent, a permanent picture or a permanent, yeah. Oh, yay! Yes, here it is. Here it is, Cindy, right here. There is, let's see here. I can tell you just a second here. It's cotton fabric, 200 thread count, 6 sheets per pack. Okay, and it's a warm white color. So it's a nice background for printing most anything. So there you go. We've got it. Just back in stock. Okay, let's see. You want to go sign up for that stocking class if you want it. It's absolutely gorgeous. And let me know if you want some of the pre-cuts for the All Illinois Shop Hop. We will get those in. I just talked to her yesterday. I think it's maybe a couple weeks. We should have those in probably right towards the 1st of Hop for sure. So, okay, let's see. Golly, girls, I think that's all. All right. Everybody have a wonderful weekend and happy sewing, everybody. I'll see you next week. Bye.